Have you ever looked at the night sky and wondered what lies beyond our galaxy? Just 2.5 million light-years away lies our closest galactic neighbor, the Andromeda Galaxy. It may look small from Earth, but Andromeda is one of the largest galaxies in our cosmic neighborhood. Andromeda contains more than 1 trillion stars, nearly twice as many as our Milky Way. Its diameter stretches nearly 220,000 light-years across. Like our galaxy, Andromeda also has smaller galaxies orbiting around it, such as Messier 32 and Messier 110, together with the Milky Way and dozens of other galaxies. Andromeda forms part of the local group. In about 4.5 billion years, these two galaxies will collide. Most stars will pass by each other safely because space between them is enormous. One day, Andromeda could appear larger than the moon in our sky. Andromeda is not just a distant galaxy. It is our closest cosmic neighbor and our future partner in a galactic dance.